Today we're looking at part number 013-140-03. This is the 18 3/8 inch long equalizer for 2.5 inch wide springs, commonly found on 10,000 pound axles, or axles with 2.5 inch wide springs. Like I said, it's 18 3/8 inch long. It's going to be 5 1/4 tall, and it uses the 1 inch eye bolt. 3/4 inch spring bolt has the rubber bushing for the equalizer, which these are replaceable, and we do sell these replacement parts. You look on the inside right here, you have where the bolt goes, and then you have where the spring catches right here and sits. These are real common with Dexter axles, CarterAxles, Lippert axles. These 18 3/8 inch long equalizers are used to make the 42 1/4 inch spread axle. So 42 1/4 from one axle to the other axle on your trailer. Real common, and we have great prices on them at Trailer Parts Unlimited. You can order them on our website, trailerpartsunlimited.com, or you can give us a call at 844-898-8687. Thank you.